how to free up your space on your mobile device by deleting your TikTok data. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing a very quick tutorial on how to do so. So without any delay, let's just dive right in with the video and get started. We can start by going to a settings app on our device. Go ahead and access our settings app. And once we access the settings app, what we can do is we can just go over and find the option for apps and go ahead and tap on it. And within apps, we can find the TikTok application directly here. We can use the search at the top and search for TikTok here. Now, once you find TikTok, you can tap on it in order to access the TikTok application's info section. And from there, you can just go and scroll down and go to the user section. When you're in the user section, you'll be finding a storage section directly. You can tap on it. After that, we can just head over and look out for the clear data option in the bottom left corner. Tap on it. After that, confirm this up. And what it will do is it will delete all of the application's data permanently. That will also include the files, settings, and account and databases, etc. So if you clear out the data, you need to re-log in into TikTok application if you wanna relog, access it and restore your data. But usually in order to clear out the data, you can just go and follow up this method. If not this, you can hold the TikTok application and go to the info as well directly. And basically look out for the user section here and tap on storage and again delete your data from here. And that's it. So usually this is how you should be able to clear out your TikTok data following out these methods. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.